I have this problem of spending time on my sofa, browsing the internet, binge watching Netflix, and staying on social media for hours. I feel so demotivated.
Mister, let's make a tutorial on how to make deepfakes.
Hey, get up, do something with your life. Hey, get up, do something with your life.
Okay, I had to make something now. I started off by cloning Elon Musk's voice. We have a tutorial on how to do this on my channel. The link will be here. You just need a sample voice a few seconds, and the AI can clone the voice for you.
In the absence of technology improvements, like no amount of money, no amount of scale could have made that phone affordable. That'd be a lot of engineering iterations, a lot of design iterations.
At this point, we need to thank our sponsors.
Mister, you don't have any sponsors. Go back to your tutorial.
Okay, I've built the Elon Musk's cloned voice.
Did you ask them to subscribe?
Yay!
Wait. It's not over yet.
The next stage is to use the impersonator project to animate Elon Musk's body. I just recorded myself and cloned my actions on him. Now, whenever I need motivation, Elon just appears and motivates me.
You suck. Don't do anything.